As you embark on this celestial journey, imagine yourself standing under the vibrant auroras of Norway. Discover these captivating destinations that promise unforgettable stargazing experiences. First on our list is the breathtaking Northern Lights in Tromso, Norway. Tromso is renowned for its stunning displays of light, where the dance of the auroras illuminates the night sky in a spectacular array of colors. This magical landscape creates an otherworldly atmosphere, making it a must-visit for any stargazing enthusiast. Experience the wonders of the cosmos in this enchanting setting. Imagine the chill of the crisp Arctic air as you gaze upward, where swirling greens, purples, and pinks meld together. Each flicker and wave of light tells a story forged in ancient skies, capturing the imaginations of countless travelers before you. As you explore Tromso, let the enchanting ambience inspire your dreams and ignite your passion for the universe. Whether you're beneath the open sky or wrapped warmly indoors, this mystical location invites both adventure and serenity. Don't forget to explore the rich wildlife and historic charm nestled in this Arctic jewel. To truly embrace the experience, consider venturing outside this vibrant city. In the surrounding wilderness, tranquility reigns supreme as the ethereal glow of the auroras dances overhead. As your journey concludes, remember that the Northern Lights in Tromso offer not just a view, but an unforgettable connection to the cosmos. Each visit fosters a deeper appreciation for the beauty of our universe, inspiring all who seek its wonders. Until next time, keep dreaming and exploring the stars. As you set out on this once-in-a-lifetime journey, take a moment to fully absorb the breathtaking beauty surrounding you. The night sky transforms into a canvas painted with ethereal hues that only nature can create, sparking a sense of awe within your spirit. You might hear the soft crunch of snow beneath your feet as you wander further away from the city lights, each step guiding you deeper into the serenity of the Arctic landscape. With every breath of cold, crisp air, let the excitement build, knowing that you are on the brink of witnessing the universe's most stunning light show. Prepare for a moment where time seems to stand still and the world fades away, leaving only you and the majestic dance of the auroras above. In this peaceful solitude, a sense of connection to the cosmos envelops you, inviting reflection and personal discovery. As you stand there, mesmerized, the first hints of color begin to ripple across the sky like nature's own firework, igniting the darkness. With each glimmer, your heart races, and you feel an exhilarating rush, as if the universe is inviting you into a cosmic embrace. Just then, a local guide shares stories of ancient folklore, speaking of the spirits said to inhabit the auroras, enriching the experience with a deeper sense of wonder and tradition. You listen intently, captivated not just by the visual spectacle, but also the rich tapestry of history that accompanies the Northern Lights. Through their words, the night sky becomes a living storybook, filled with ancient wisdom and the dreams of those who have come before you. This connection enhances your journey, making each moment more meaningful and unforgettable as the lights continue to dance, painting the heavens with their magical glow. As you stand awestruck, the vibrant greens intertwine with soft purples, sending waves of color cascading across the vast expanse of the sky. Every flickering ripple seems to invite you to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, igniting a passion for exploration and discovery within you. Your adventure in Tromso has woven you into the fabric of a cosmic tapestry, reminding you that the universe is vast and full of mysteries yet to unfold. As you depart, carry with you the dreams inspired by the dance of the auroras and the stories shared under the starlit sky.